1967 Ford Mustang Coupe, listed in Lincoln, Nebraska for $20,000 or best offer. This classic Mustang is a true survivor, featuring an all-original stock setup, including its straight six-cylinder engine and untouched interior. With only 35,000 miles, it runs and drives well, making it a great option for collectors or anyone looking for a well-preserved piece of automotive history. If you appreciate originality and a solid driving vintage car, this Mustang is ready for its next owner. Check the link in the description to contact the seller. (1965) Ford Mustang Coupe, listed in Schenectady, New York for $8,900 or best offer. This classic Mustang has 65,445 miles and is powered by a 289 cubic inch V8 engine with an automatic transmission. It comes with power steering and upgraded power brakes with a dual bowl system. A lot of new parts have already been installed, including a carburetor, starter, fuel pump, power steering main valve and booster valve, connecting lines, rear brakes, and emergency brake cables. The subframe, trunk, and rear floor pans are solid, but the front floor pans do have rust holes, with the passenger side being worse. The car runs, drives, and can be registered, but it's still a work in progress. (1963) Chevrolet Impala, listed in Indianapolis, Indiana for $11,800. This classic Impala is a very clean, solid, and rust-free example with 60,000 miles. It's powered by an inline six-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed column shift, also known as 3 on the tree. Recent work includes a new fuel tank and a completely refreshed suspension with new springs and shocks. The car has been lowered a few inches, giving it a sleek stance, but it still rides and drives smoothly with good tires and brakes. (1973) Ford Mustang Convertible, listed in Clyde, North Carolina for $11,700. This classic Mustang has 66,000 miles and is a solid car that runs and drives great. It has mostly lived in Georgia, keeping it in good shape over the years. Under the hood, you'll find a 302 V8 with a 2-barrel carburetor. It comes with dual exhaust, front and rear spoilers, and an electric convertible top. Recent upgrades include new Cobra tires and Magnum wheels, plus an unused spare. A brand new convertible top is also included, but hasn't been installed yet. The only thing it really needs is a driver's side door panel replacement. (1962) Pontiac Catalina, listed in Xenia, Ohio for $6,000. This classic has 26,000 miles and runs and drives, though it has an intermittent engine squeak that may indicate an internal issue. The good news? It comes with a 350 engine for a potential swap if you're looking to upgrade or troubleshoot the existing motor. The owner has lost interest in the project and is ready to see it go to someone who will appreciate it. The car has a clean title and plenty of potential for the right buyer. 1962 Ford Galaxie 500 listed in Plainville, Kansas for $12,000 or best offer. This classic ride has been owned for more than 15 years and is now ready for a new home. It has a bold, high-performance 401 cubic inch engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission, making it a fun and powerful car to drive. Built in a rat rod police car style, it turns heads wherever it goes. The interior is mostly complete, just missing the dash pad, and it sits on vintage slotted wheels, with extra wheels and tires available. With just under 97,000 miles, it's been well enjoyed but still has plenty of life left. The owner is open to trades for car trailers or trucks. (1966) Ford Galaxie, listed in Mohnton, Pennsylvania for $18,500. This well-preserved survivor has a smooth ride that floats like a cloud on the highway. It's powered by a 352 cubic inch engine and has only 44,000 miles. The body has some repainted areas with slight patina but no rust, and the trunk paint still shines. Inside, the near-perfect interior adds to its charm. If you're looking for a classic that's been well cared for and ready to cruise, this Galaxie is a great find. (1975) Plymouth Duster, listed in Corning, New York for $15,000. This Duster has around 31,760 miles and a solid underside. It could use some paint and bodywork to reach show quality, but it runs strong and drives well. Under the hood, it's been upgraded from its original 6-cylinder to a professionally built 417-stroker V8 with X heads and a mild street cam. The transmission is a 727 automatic that shifts perfectly, and the rear end is a 9 1/4 sure grip with 355 gears. A 4-speed transmission with a bell housing is included if you're thinking about a conversion, though it's missing the pedals and Z-bar. It currently runs a 750 CFM carburetor, but the seller suggests a 650 CFM for better performance. It drives straight, stops great, and is a solid choice for someone looking for a powerful Mopar with room for personal touches. (1957) Ford Custom 300, listed in Parkville, Missouri for $20,000. This rust-free classic was built for drag racing and is an absolute blast to drive. Under the hood, it packs a powerful 472 cubic inch Cadillac engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission and a Ford 9-inch Posey traction rear end with a 359 gear ratio. Fender well headers give it an aggressive sound, and the car has other drag racing modifications to enhance performance. The paint and interior are in great shape, and it comes with a clean title in the seller's name. (1973) Buick Century Custom Coupe, listed in Farmington Hills, Michigan for $10,000. This one-owner classic has 108,000 miles and is completely original, with the build sheet and paperwork from Armstrong Buick in Detroit. It's powered by a 350 cubic inch engine with a 4-barrel carburetor and has had several new parts installed, including valve cover gaskets, cap, rotor, points, plugs, wires, water pump, high-pressure fuel pump, high-volume oil pump, oil pan, oil pickup tube, and gasket, tires, and battery. The body is solid, with some rust on the lower doors and rear quarters due to water retention from worn window seals, but it was Z-Bart rust-proofed when new. The car is currently registered and insured with historical plates, and the owner is open to trades.